Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will talk about why your Instagram account can be blocked. So Instagram has its own rules and laws, and if you don't follow these laws, Instagram will block you. Very easy. So now let's review these 5 reasons. The reason number 1, you are using mass following, mass liking, mass looking programs, and Instagram doesn't like third-party apps. Instagram wants you to grow organically or through paid ad campaigns. So when you're using such applications, Instagram blocks you because you are violating Instagram rules. So don't try to find shortcuts and get a lot of likes and followers at one time, because most probably you will get action blocked and you won't be able to comment, like, or send messages for some time. The reason number 2, you post too many posts in a time. So when you post a lot of content within a certain period of time, Instagram might consider it as a spam, so it will block you. Or you shouldn't post the same image at the same time from different accounts. Next, try not to use different devices and IP addresses to log into your account, because Instagram might consider it as someone is trying to hack your account and it will block you. If you have an assistant who helps you to manage your account, you should set up a 2-factor authentication in your settings, and when your assistant will try to log in, he or she would need to enter a code from SMS. So this way you will show Instagram that nobody is trying to hack your account and you will not get blocked. Don't forget about copyright, because people can report and your account will be blocked. So try to use your own content in your account, and if you want to post someone else's content, ask for a permission, and when you post the content, always tag the author in the content. If you use the content for the commercial purposes, you need to get a permission from the author. And the reason number 5, when someone thinks that your content is a threat or spam and they clicked the report button. If someone else will click the report button, Instagram will sooner or later block your account. So these were 5 reasons why your Instagram account can be blocked. In my next video, I will tell you what you should do if something like this happens to your account. And thank you for watching. If you like my content, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you don't want to miss my next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.